Hey guys, this is Jackie from the product development team at BECCA Cosmetics, and this is Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter. Hello! We're all about the glow. That's why the light, the look, the feel, the total vibe of this highlighter is different from other highlighters out there. It's like this pure, luminous light emanates from your being every time you sweep it on. It's also award-winning and the best-selling highlighter in the US. Powered with ultra-fine, luminescent pearls, you shimmer and glimmer but never glitter. The formula blends pigment with liquid for a buttery texture that goes on seamlessly and gives you glowing, radiant skin. Every shade amps up your natural light. Cindy is sweeping on her glow with Champagne Pop. It's soft gold with a peachy pink pearl, and it's our most iconic shade because it looks amazing on pretty much everyone. Brush it upward like the letter C from cheek to temple. Across the bridge of your nose, there, you have it. Soft, shimmery, pretty, glowy. Guys, from here on out, it's not just any light. It's Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter all the way.